Wednesday, June 4th, Mariam and Marcelo and the Scrum feature and website 1. So, I think yesterday we finally, you did, uh, got that um,
Click the
click.
button.
Now, look at I changed line 13. Well, I changed it. I just wanted to make it more clear.
Okay.
And so I was just playing around with this. So I click Scrum in timeline or something to that effect. You know, we can change it if you want.
No, that's good.
And uh, and then the next step on line 14 should be something along the lines of, then I should see a modal window with title Agile Venture or something to that effect.
Okay. I guess the only thing, yeah, that's good. The only thing though, like, we're not, I feel like we should have the same level of specificity in, I'm
Specificity.
not saying
Yeah.
that again, I'm sorry.
Right.
But of how specific we are, like, so we're not saying I should click on this exact scrum. Like, I would just say we should see a modal window with the scrum title. It's a very unimportant detail,
No.
but
Uh, but let's go one by one. Line 13 looks okay to you?
yep.
And I
And
click,
line 14 is fine too. We could just worry about it later.
okay.
Like, I guess the same level of abstraction is what I mean, but it
All
doesn't
right.
matter.
Tell me how would
Just
you
leave it.
word it?
I should see a modal window for the scrum or something like that.
With the Scrum
With
in.
the scrum, or whatever. Like, just maybe not the specific title, because what if, is that the title? No.
Well, I'm putting title in there. I don't know what it is
Just
because,
say, we should see the scrum play in a modal window. Oh, can I, I'll leave this one quick. Okay.
so let's see. So then I should see a modal window with uh, text, title,
That
Scrum.
just say that we don't have to be that specific here. Then I should see a modal window with the scrum, or then the scrum should. Does it start playing right away?
No, because that would be the next.
Okay. So we
Uh,
just say with or for the scrum maybe.
then I should see a modal window
With the scrum, for the scrum.
uh, for the Scrum. Okay.
But get rid of the title.
So we take out Agile Venture.
Yeah. That's just my opinion.
I think you're right. So now I made this, I had this step passing.
Oh, cool.
So let me see, hold on, let me put it back and let me show you what I got.
Yeah,
So then we'll
yeah,
change it to what I think you're right. So it's less specific. Yeah, okay. So, but what I did is this. Line 18 through 20. I mean, header mean whatever title or.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
But I don't know if that I'm really
Mm,
testing it or it's just
no, no, because you're just saying that that is somewhere on the page.
yes.
How did you do it in the? I think we should look for like the CSS. Is that how you did it in the Hire Me button?
In the Hire Me button, I'm right here, and you want to look at line 15,
Yeah.
huh?
Contact
Okay.
Butcher.
Actually, no, the way we did it in the
Yeah, see, I think we should do that because otherwise it's not, it's like a fake test.
this is kind of fakey, right?
This one I think is, um,
Because the form in the Hire Me button,
I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong step. Then I should see a modal window with a form.
right?
Let me look at the step again. I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong place.
Um, there it is.
Page should have content. Oh, okay. Okay.
So what's passing in the argument is but contact
Let's,
butcher, which is
okay.
the name of the form.
Yeah, and that's something, but let's see if that step fails without the modal window. That's the, you know, or can we make that your step that you just wrote? Can you make it fail?
The
Change
one that
the view or
I
something.
you mean this one in line 14?
Yes.
Yeah, I could
Okay.
by just saying whatever. I wanted to Marian in there, but
Okay.
so if I do
But
this,
wait, isn't Agile Ventures somewhere else on the page?
it's yes.
So if you change the page to take out the modal window, that step is still going to pass, right?
If I take what out?
Take out the modal window.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Because
so then we need a different step. We need a
yeah,
step
to
that will
make
fail.
right. I think the test that we did in Hire Me button was not all that robust,
Maybe, yeah.
to be honest with you. I mean, so the Agile Ventures is everywhere in the page.
Yeah, exactly. So we need something specific that will only be there with the modal window.
Right, right. Now we should test for.
So what we want to do is change the page and see, and then have a test that fails. Like get the work that you did for the modal window out of the page. Like whatever. Go to the view.
Go to the view. Okay.
Um,
Uh, this is the model line 13 through 26.
And there's like a visible, like what makes it play? Lines, okay, so line, I see. What happens if you just take those lines away?
Well, we can comment it out.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see. This should be back to where we had it before, right? With Agile Venture. And then you want to take out the the model altogether. And run it now. What the heck? It passed? It's not.
Oh, I was muted. It passed, right?
It did, yeah.
So that's because that's somewhere else on the page.
Yeah. Yeah.
So put it back, comment it
Put it
out,
back
and
in.
let's find something that we can reference in
Yeah.
there more
Yeah.
specific.
More
Let's not
specific.
spend like 10 hours trying to get it to work.
Yeah.
Like, if you know what I'm saying.
Let me put back the.
Yeah, and leave it commented because we want it to fail. So, what do you think? We could look
Actually, when you
for.
comment out things in RubyMine like this, it's
Yeah,
not quite commented out.
really?
Yeah. So,
I see. Huh.
but anyway,
So it might still find it on the page?
yeah, I usually take it out and then put it back.
Alright.
So, but yes, we need to find. I would like to do, to be honest with you, instead of looking for text on the page,
Mm-hmm.
something more like, with a div or something that is more,
Yeah.
robust
Yeah.
than just finding a piece of text
Okay.
on the page, because since it is an index page, there are so many. I mean, let me close this. I mean, I don't know what is unique. I mean, there are so many repetitions in this page, you know. So I don't know to what is.
Okay, so play the first video. Click play and let's see what we say.
You want to play it?
No, but let's just, so there's no text really we can look for.
No.
So you're right about that. But let's look at the CSS, I guess. Or
You want to inspect?
if you can, I had a hard time doing it.
Oh no, I can inspect the actually
Okay.
the model.
How do you do that? get to just the model?
Well, once I launch the model, then I do right-click inspect element, and I start to go down.
Okay.
See what it says model in there in the inspect element?
Yeah.
So
So,
if I keep going down and I drop down, it's kind of cumbersome, but eventually you get to the point that you are in the model. See right there, I'm hitting the
okay, yeah, I remember.
header right there. What? Hold on. Right there is the yeah, right there.
So we could try looking for just that, actually.
I
Like,
was thinking about this, the div class model
yeah.
header.
Okay.
That is unique. But where model? Do we have model header in in the in the index view? Let me put this back.
Yes, it's there.
Okay.
All right, so,
So right there, line
yeah.
17.
All right, so,
Police are coming for you.
yep. No, you'll hear them banging on the door. They bang pretty hard.
Anyway,
Actually, the police here are very polite. They ring the doorbell.
there you go.
Is that your car outside, ma'am?
Yes.
No. What car? All right, so...
So now you would have to. How do we put a div class model header in the in a step definition?
You could do, everybody hates that I always do XPath, but, so you could try to find, I'm just grabbing through this stuff.
So the X path is a way to navigate through certain locations in your app
Yeah, it navigates like through the DOM.
through the
So,
DOM. Okay, got it, got
so
it.
I think, it should be,
Which is a pretty handy tool, I guess, if you know how to use it.
yeah, so div.
Can you share with me?
Oh, I was just going to type it in the chat, but I could
Oh,
do it
oh,
at class. So,
because not yesterday, but last week we were right on. You were constructing that path correctly, except that we went too much down into the details.
yeah, yeah. So slash, wait, hold on one sec. Okay,
Okay,
slash means like that's like a wild card.
okay, hold on.
And
Let me
then
let me copy it, and we're going to put this
in the step definition.
in the steps definition. So
So
let
if
me
you
see.
look
I'm gonna.
at the other step we did,
Let me, so okay, there we go. So this
you
should
want to
be.
just
Go ahead.
page dot, I think it's page dot, should, you want to just go in the debugger and stop there and then we'll test it out. Like stop right above. All right, let's try typing in. Page should have Or maybe we should do expect, or do page dot have, yeah, should dot have XPath, have underscore XPath, I believe.
Page should
Should
have
dot,
underscore.
page should dot, I think. Let me Google this.
Page should have. No, that's not right.
No?
Should have like this. I think it should be. No, no, not even. Oh yes. Do, 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 do.
Okay, we could do it the right way. Expect page
Expect
to
to have.
have
Yeah.
underscore,
Expect parentheses, right? Page
yeah,
to have, and then
XPath.
to have space,
Yes.
and then symbol.
Wait.
No.
Ay, 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 ay.
Expect page to have. Let's go to this Google. Expect page to
To
have.
space have underscore XPath.
Okay. Expect page to have underscore XPath.
I put it in the chat too. Two. Yeah, get rid of between two and have is a space.
Okay. I think now I got it.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Have
Okay.
XPath and then parentheses.
Well, but there is a space. Oh, this should be up against. No.
Get rid of that. Yeah, that one.
No.
You should have a. You want the parentheses at the end,
At the
not
end.
there.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, and then a space there, or I think we might actually need parentheses there. You could try it with a space.
Like so.
Well, between XPath and the quote, you need something.
Another parenthesis here.
It's yeah. I'm not sure if it'll work like this with the
No.
space.
No. No.
But the parentheses go the other way. So that string
What
is an argument
the string is an argument. Okay.
to have XPath. So you
Okay.
want parentheses
All right.
around.
So I need an extra one in here. Like
Yes, and
so.
then yeah, yeah.
Okay. Could could we have said in line 15, expect page that first to have XPath? Is that a different?
No, because we're not doing an expectation there.
Oh,
We're clicking on it.
okay. Oh, that's right. That's right. We're clicking. Okay. Let's run it. Let's see what
Yeah.
happens. Let's see. Um, so now the feature should be redefined, right? I should see a model window.
Well, let's leave it. Did it run?
Okay.
Did it pass?
No, 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 no.
Let's just see
Um,
it. Leave it the way it is, and then we'll. I see the lol is still in there.
Undefined method 2. Undefined
Oh,
method.
Expect page. Really? Let's see how we did it.
I think it's a syntax error. It's
Page.
just
Oh, page has to be in parentheses.
expect.
Yeah, page. I'm sorry. So take the one at the end and put it around page.
Okay. Expect page to have path. Yes. Pass.
Yeah. Okay. So now you can change the name of it.
Now, tell me how you build that. Let's talk about the
So
XPath.
if you look, like, you can go slash slash means anywhere on the page. So this means look for a div anywhere on the page,
Yes.
and then the attribute, if you want a specific attribute.
Okay. And that
Um,
was your at class.
yeah, you do it with an at sign, the name of the attribute, and then what it should be. And all that time we were doing the escaping with the double quotes inside, I realized we could just do single quotes inside.
Okay.
And so, like, if you wanted to just find, like, if you did slash slash div, you would get anything that had a div.
Okay.
So that's the
Got it.
tag,
Got it.
and then like class, and then you put what specific class you're looking for inside. But if you want to drill down, like if you had like a container and then this div, and then you wanted to go down and have a link inside, you do. So you could do slash slash container slash this div and slash what's inside there. Like it goes kind of down
Okay.
the
Which is what we were doing last week, right?
yeah, it goes down the tree.
It goes down the tree. Okay.
And you can be like as specific as you want. But like slash slash matches anything up to that point. Like you could start with documents slash, bodies, you know.
Miriam, I need to make a phone call for about
Okay.
10 minutes. Okay.
All right. I'll be
So
here.
I'll mute myself and
Okay.
back. Okay. Mariam,
Yes.
I'm back.
Okay. I'm gonna be right back.
All right.
1 second. Hi.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm thinking
no.
in the Hire Me button, um, line 15, this this test is more robust than the one we have for Agile Ventures because this is unique, contact but butcher.
All right. So did we take? Let's take that code out and make sure that it fails.
Well, I already made it fail. I just
Okay.
simply,
How did you make it fail, though?
hold on, let me go back. I just changed from modal header to modal timeline.
Okay. So leave it. Put it back to modal header, and let's take the code out of the page and make sure that it fails. Because
Yeah,
changing the step isn't making. We're not making it fail. That's a different step.
I see. Okay. So modal header is what we had,
And
and
then
it
go to
was
the
and it
view.
was passing.
Yeah.
Let me make sure that I got the right.
And if this is not unique in the expect page to have XPath, it's going to come back and say that it had multiple matches.
Oh,
Oh, wait, maybe not. Maybe not. In the one above, it would. But we could just make sure.
okay.
I think it's only, yeah. So did you,
So now you want to take out the modal altogether from here
yeah,
and run it
yeah,
and see it fail.
yeah.
And there you go.
So, um, no, I take back what I said that it would fail if there was more than one. But is that, I mean, is there more than one?
Uh,
Isn't that the,
you mean modal headers?
yeah.
No, because that refers to The other ones refer to timeline.
Okay.
That is
So
the only one.
index.
It's
So
unique.
and let's do one more thing. Let's go back to the cucumber. So it's just make sure it's still running the way it's passing now.
We should change this line
Alright.
14.
But let's do one other thing first. Run the test and make sure that it's passing.
You mean put back the index? The index HTML in there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I put it back,
Okay.
and this test will pass. See, modal header is unique in the modal window.
Alright, we're gonna try one more thing. In the cucumber, so that passed, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back to the cucumber and remove line 13. And now let's see if it should fail now because we didn't click the button. If it passes now, we know we gotta change it. Oh, okay, so we do have a problem.
You have a problem. Yes.
So, alright, so put it back and let's look at the view again.
And I click a Scrum in timeline.
Yeah, so let's look at the view and what changes in the view when you click that. There's
No.
something that says visible somewhere.
Uh, mm, I see. The reason why is because there are two different divs altogether. They're not related.
So the modal is really kind of always there, but you can't see it until you click on it, right?
Correct. So that was a good test on your part. That was good. Because now the Scrum's feature, I click a Scrum in timeline. We need to tie that with the model, meaning that has to happen before the model. And I click a Scrum in timeline. Mm. Mm. That's a curveball.
What actually does happen when you click on the modal? Oh, wait a minute. There's
When you
something
click
called
on the Scrum
heading.
or when you click on the model?
When you click on the Scrum,
When you click on the Scrum, it just simply opens the model.
but what changes? Like, oh, there's something called
Let's see.
hidden. Hidden equals true. Does that change?
This is what happens. Boom.
Yeah, but I mean,
There is no one thing is there is no redirection in the model. It just simply stays on the page. See, on the browser, it's still a Scrum's index. It plops in there. It doesn't go. There is no redirection. It's just there. But how? Do 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 do. How do you make it? What an interesting point. Oh, how do you make it
There's a toggle modal.
a
That's what does
toggle?
it, I think. So that link to in the helper.
Where are you? Are you looking
I'm
at
looking
a
at Scrum's helper.
Scrum's helper? Scrum's helper. Toggle. Yeah. I think the toggle is what launches the model.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hmm. And I click a Scrum in timeline. I think you're on the right area that we should maybe look in here. Timeline panel. Timeline heading.
So this is like, oh, this is a bootstrap thing, this modal?
I think
There we
so.
go.
But I think the issue is how to make I think we got the model step taken care of. Now, what you just demonstrated is that we need to tie line 13 with 14, by which line 14 will not pass unless 13
Let's,
passes. You know
okay,
what I mean?
let's try this. Let's put a debugger in the step definition, like right before that expectation. Online, yeah.
Right,
Yeah. And
right
let's
here.
go there, and there's something I just found. Let me share my screen too. Am I sharing my screen? No, right?
I don't think so. So, okay, I got it.
Okay, now I can't find it. Where was it? So let's see. We have do page dot find, and that's string.
Uh, the one in div, this one.
Yeah,
You mean the argument?
yeah. Um,
I have too many.
yeah.
Hold on. Too many. One too many. There we go. Okay. It found the tag.
Okay, so go back to this thing I just saw. So put comma inside the parentheses. Let me find it again. God. Okay, so one thing we could do is put dot. Wait, no. Wait until page find. Okay, so after the string, inside the
Yes.
parentheses, put comma, and then it's visible.
True.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Comma. Visible. True. It's still inside the parentheses.
Yeah.
Visible symbol.
Um,
No.
visible. Yeah, like a hash. But put the colon on the right.
The
Or you
column on the
could
right.
use.
Okay. Visible. Uh, hash rocket.
No, just the word true. So the colon replaces the hash rocket,
Okay.
actually.
Like so.
Yeah.
And then close the parentheses.
Yeah. Okay, so now
I don't. Do
let's.
you see a difference between? No.
Yeah, because we've gone through the step now where we click the button, right?
Yes.
So let's comment out. So let's take that statement and put that in the Let's fix the step definition to add. I guess do expect page. Yeah, take that whole thing and do expect.
Let me copy the whole thing in here.
Yeah.
And
Page
then
that.
go to right here.
Expect.
So
And put
you want to put
parentheses. Put
the at at like so.
No, I think we have to put parentheses around everything on line 21 and do
So okay.
like in front of page and after, yeah, and then do expect all that to be true and get rid of line 20.
Get rid of line 20. Okay, I'm going to comment it out just in case.
Yeah.
So then page dot find.
Put a parentheses around absolutely everything from the very beginning.
Okay. All right.
And then you want to do expect on the left and then to be true on the right.
Expect page.
Yeah, everything go all the way to the very end.
Okay. And then take out visible true.
No, leave it. Put dot. Don't change anything that's there, but at the very end, put a dot
Okay.
to, because that's our whole thing, right? So we just want to make sure that's true. To, and then be true. Space, be true. Be underscore true. I think you can just, I think that's okay. We might have to do be parentheses true, but you want to just try it?
Yeah. What about the argument? We're
Which
not
argument?
this one do header. We're not using this, right?
Oh, well, no, we're not, but let's only change one thing at a time.
Okay. So take the debugger out.
No, You could.
Well, it's just that it's
Or you
not
know
enough.
what? Yeah, you could take it out, and then we'll put it
I
back
need to
in.
exit that, otherwise it's not gonna
Yeah,
work.
true. We have the clicking step in or out now.
The clicking step. It's
It's
right
in
here.
there. But I mean, it's in the cucumber feature.
Oh
We did that,
no,
right?
hold on. I'm getting confused. This line 21 should be in the click scrumming timeline.
No,
Oh
no.
no. Okay. No, no, no. You're right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm okay.
Okay.
But let's run it and see what happens.
Yeah.
It passed.
Okay, so let's go to the cucumber now and take out the clicking step and see if it fails.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
I was like, maybe the difference is the modal thing is there, but then that toggles it between visible and invisible.
Okay. I got you.
Oh, don't tell me it failed, right?
No.
Wait a minute. I click play to watch the video.
So
Oh, so that passed?
that pass.
Oh, let's go in the debugger then and see if we can figure something out. That stinks.
Hold on. Let me put it back. And I click scrumming timeline. Hmm. Okay. I still think that we made a mistake in here, Mariam,
Where?
because I was putting the line 21, which is the test we run on the console, and the step I should see a modal window with title. That is not correct. We were looking
What's
at,
not correct?
well, we're looking at the I click scrum in timeline.
Yeah.
That's what we were trying to assert.
No. No, we got that one working. We got that working, and we just want to see now whether we see the modal or not. Right?
Uh, 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 yes, yes. No, no, you're right. You're right.
So we can go into the debugger and try a few more
But
things.
what I don't understand is if okay, if line 13 is passing, right?
Yeah.
Which indeed it is. How we're gonna
Mhm.
make it fail by putting by putting by putting that code in the following scenario.
So our setup right now is that we go to the index page and we click on the
Correct.
scrum.
Correct.
Okay, and now we want to check, did the modal window open up? So that expectation,
Okay.
what I read is that that's going to determine that, but apparently, that's not right. So, am I missing? Maybe I'm missing something.
No. You're right.
All right, so
Go back to the debugger.
I guess let me Google and see if I can find anything else. Let's do maybe a show me the page in
What was
there.
that? What was the toggle that
Yeah, I don't know. I just
can we
kind
use
of
it? Could we use toggle in line 21?
maybe.
Visible, true, comma, uh, toggle model, or what was that they use in the helper?
It's
I
in
got it. I got it. I got it.
yeah, toggle modal.
Copy.
Let me see what it says here.
You mean something like that?
I don't. It, I don't know. Try it. I mean, page.find is only gonna accept certain things, certain options. Visible is one of them.
Hold on.
Are you in the debugger?
Yeah.
So let's try it in the debugger.
All right. But hold on, the debugger is not good in rolling mine. I have to uh, let me just quickly take it out, comment it out, and run it and see what happens.
I have an idea.
Invalid keys toggle should be one of text visible. Oh, which is what we're doing.
What are our other choices? Text.
Count, maximum, exact, match, weight. However, can we say toggle visible?
No, we have visible.
We got visible, right?
Yeah, we can't use toggle as a key.
Okay.
Alright, so let's see.
Let's take this out. And
Yeah, but now are we in the debugger now?
I'm going to put it back, and I'm going to launch it on the console.
Okay.
All right, I caught it. Page, find. You want to put the whole string in there and see what
Let's
is
do
it?
that again and see what we can change. Let's see what it has in there. And now I forget how we left it. Are we clicking or not clicking?
Are we clicking or not clicking? What do you mean?
Like in the cucumber, where did we leave that in the feature?
Okay, hold on. Well, the clicking should be the next step.
No, I mean step 13. Remember we took that out and tried it and it still passed? That's what we took out, right?
Yes, we did.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm positive.
Okay. So let's see. Let me see what you got in the debugger again. So what we want to see is what's different. And I thought it would be the visible, but
Yeah,
yeah, in the console.
you're right.
Did you see it now, body? Okay. I'm just gonna look at the view here. Maybe we need to drill down a little bit further. So that was... What do we have there again? We had modal header, right?
Correct. Line 17 in the view.
Okay, so maybe we could be more specific.
We can drill down into...
You could do...
model title.
Let's go down.
In that div class, you have two lines, 18 and 19.
How about changing it to...
You have the title, the ID.
Okay, for now, let's try, instead of modal title, modal body / iframe.
Okay.
Oh, div class equals modal body.
I think line 22, the iframe, that is probably going to come handy when we do the play, the click play. Okay. So
at this point, though, it should be there. It's just not playing.
let's see. Aren't we in a two-prong sequence, meaning the model launches, and
Yes, and
then
does it not have the iframe in it when it launches?
no, it does, except that the user doesn't click on it.
Okay, but before it launches, it does not have the iframe, or does it?
Once it launches, it's visible, and it has the player.
Okay.
Except that until the user clicks on that play, it won't play.
Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's try modal body first.
Okay.
Change modal header to modal body.
So let's see. I'm going to go to the steps definition.
Let's do it in the debugger.
Oh, okay. So we want to go.
And what you just did, like, yeah.
Modal. You want to put it body?
Yeah.
So that means that it will go through modal header, and it'll drop down into modal body just by doing that. We don't have to reference it in the path.
Well, the / means anywhere, so it's skipping over the header because that's like I think it's at the same level.
Okay. All right. I dig it.
I think it's going to be true. Let's see.
Indeed, because look at this. It puts div 2. See the difference?
Yeah, in the array? That's the second one. That's the second one. Right?
That is the second one, indeed.
All right, so
so what would happen if we change it in here to modal body and run it?
Still gonna, well, let's do / iframe and see if that's true.
In the debugger?
Yeah, okay. Like right after modal body. Modal.
Slash.
Outside the bracket. You have to go outside the bracket.
Okay. The dot iframe.
Slash iframe. Or does it have to be? No, just iframe.
Yes.
You don't use the dots in here because it's.
Like so.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, indeed, it goes into the iframe. So it goes into the div 2 and the iframe. Cool.
So the question then is, without the clicking on the scrum, the first clicking, is this still visible?
Hmm.
So let's save this and then remove that line 13 from the feature.
Okay, let me copy and paste this.
Well, you only need the page.find, right? Why?
Yeah, I just want to have it for my reference.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay, so now I exit the debugger.
Yeah.
You want to try it in Ruby, right?
You could. I mean, I don't know. Let's try it in the debugger again, because then if it's faster.
Oh, okay. So I gotta let me run it again.
You could put it as a comment right in the step definition, then, or you have it saved anyway, right?
Yeah.
Oh wait, did we take out the cucumber step that says when I click on the scrum?
Uh, when I click a Scrum in timeline.
Yeah, we gotta take that out. Did you take it? Yeah, take that out and run it again.
So I'm gonna take that out, and what I'm gonna put back in here. You wanna put the body iframe?
You could, yeah. Yeah, why not?
Okay. So like we did in the
Yeah.
body, um, then we did uh,
Inside the quote.
inside the quotes.
Yeah.
This should be iframe.
Slash iframe, yeah, and then
And then visible true to be true.
yeah.
Okay, and this one. Oh, shit. Sorry.
What happened? Oh, yeah. Just hit continue. Oh, whatever. Oh, when you do it in RubyMine, what happens with the debugger?
The debugger gets, it launches and it stays there. It doesn't do anything. Okay, so I pass.
It still passed, huh? That stinks.
Still passing.
Alright. So,
I should see a model window dev class. Can we take the iframe out?
yeah, but it's not going to help. If it
Yeah.
sees the iframe, it's definitely going to see the thing above it.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to say that we can't do this then in Cucumber.
Going to do it in our spec?
I don't know. I think it's like a JavaScript thingy. I'm going to try looking at the page. And unless we can find something different, if I inspect elements.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Div ID
Let me run
class.
it in. Just want to run it in here. Just for kicks.
Okay. Class. Okay, I got it. Here's what's different.
Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on. Are you sharing
I thought I was.
with the people?
Let me try again.
I'll be back in 1 second, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you
Change
find what
this?
is different?
Yeah.
Okay.
See my screen?
Yeah, I do.
See where it says aria hidden equals false?
Yes.
So, and here it's aria hidden equals true.
In the browser?
And no, I'm looking at the, yeah.
Okay.
So we could try slash div.
Okay. slash div.
And then instead of and then just do bracket at area dash hidden equals true.
Right in line 21.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Let's
div,
go div add
and
class.
then change that to change class to area dash hidden. ARIA. Yeah.
Like so.
I think. Let me just check again. Area. Where is it? Equals true. So change
Equals.
modal body to true. And you do need the single quotes around the true.
Okay.
And you get rid of slash iframe. Don't lose the bracket though. You lost your square bracket too. Okay. Get rid of visible true.
Right.
Or did you just run it? I wasn't paying
No.
attention. Okay, try running it.
Okay.
I don't know about visible true here. I don't know if we need that.
All right.
Let's take it out. It's just confusing things. We started it. Okay, good.
Yeah. Yeah, still passing.
All right, so
Take
let's
out.
look at the what's in the feature now. I don't remember where we left it.
And the feature. I took out the.
Oh, come on, there's no way that's still there. That is ridiculous.
I took out the line that.
Yeah, or leave it out.
Yeah, and it's still passing. How the heck? That's weird.
Oh, wait a minute. You took it out, then it's hidden. Put in false. Put in false.
Area hidden.
Equals.
Right.
False.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah. No,
Yeah.
we want it hidden. Hidden should be true.
But can we take visible true out?
Yes. Well, and here it's area hidden equals false. No, we want it to be true. We were right.
No, we were right. We were right.
So let's do and show me the page right before. Do we have to wait? Wait a minute. We might have to wait.
God. I don't. Let's just run it and
Just
see what happens.
do sleep 1000 right before it checks. Oh no, sleep 1 is seconds.
Where?
In
the feature?
No, in the step. So on line 20, right before line 21. Do a sleep 5, and it'll sleep for 5 seconds. And then give it a chance to come up.
Like this?
Yeah.
Pass.
Okay. All right. Take it out. So go ahead. Do you have an idea? But yeah, let's do show me the page then, I guess.
Mm,
And let's
in,
do that in the future, right?
yeah.
Sorry about that noise.
Right in um, and show me the page right here.
Yeah. So let's view source and see if we find that anywhere.
Is it source
Oh wait,
or
it's here. I thought
it
it
is?
wasn't going to be here.
It is.
Oh. Let's look at the feature again. When I visit.
Well, it's there because it's passing.
Oh.
See, this should fail, I think, line 13.
Well, yeah.
And is showing you the page because it's passing.
Right.
Damn it.
Hmm. So it's always there, but what's different? This guy's just playing with this lawnmower now. He's riding down the street.
What is it?
It's a lawnmower. It's actually pretty cool because it's a big lawnmower, but you ride on it standing up.
Standing up?
Yeah. So it's just like a big giant lawnmower, and then there's a place to stand in the back.
Cool.
I know.
So,
Well, let's look at view source and let's see if we see anything hidden or maybe this is just not something we can do.
mm,
Oh, you know what I wanted to tell you? I went to that Ruby Love guy's blog, like I was showing you, and he had the thing about refactoring conditionals out of his code, and he says there's a screencast, but the screencast is gone.
mm, interesting. Um, and that is screencast happened when?
Let me see. A couple days ago, May 31st.
Yeah, that was, well, that was Sunday. Or no, or was it Monday? Maybe
Saturday. What?
Saturday. I didn't know Saturday because I did it on Sunday.
Yeah, but he did something for his blog and it's gone.
Hmm.
Very annoying because I really did want to see that.
Maybe he charges for some of that. I don't know. Or they are freely available.
This seems to just be his blog.
Hmm.
Oh, I found it in his Twitter. Okay, so yeah.
I'm reviewing the code and see if we get any looks okay to me. I mean, I'm looking at the code at the source. It's right here.
So let's
Area.
look at the do when you do show me the page, let's look at the
Huh?
let's do view source on the show me the page.
I am right here.
Oh, okay, okay, sorry.
And I'm looking at the model code right now.
Can you do Control F for and look for area dash hidden?
It's right here.
Okay, area hidden true. What? And let me
But
see the.
there is
Hmm.
more in the header. There is another one, area hidden through here.
There is.
Right here. Is it too small or you want me
Wait
to
a
make
minute.
it?
We expect we are not. God, we didn't click on it yet, so we expect it to be true. That it's hidden. So this is right. So let's put back the. Did we put back the click link and then try this?
No, we have
All right,
not.
let's
But
try that. I'm just
we can try it.
not thinking straight.
Okay. So now you put it. I put it back.
And now it should fail.
Now it should fail because we are
It
saying
should be
that
no longer hidden. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, leave it like this and let's watch it fail.
yes, if that is the case.
And then we got to switch the logic around.
No.
What?
What? Yes. What? Do we have this? We have this correct, right? Because we tested it in the console, correct?
Let's go to the console and try both true and false. Let's see what
Yeah.
happens now. Leave it with false.
Yeah. It shouldn't.
Wait. With the link in, it should be false. So let's see what happens.
Okay. With the link in and false on the test, it fails.
All right. Let's go in the debugger, maybe? So, let me think. What should we do? So
So
it's doing the opposite of what we think, or it's never false, according to this. Can we just do um in
if we say area hidden is false.
let's Marcel, let's try putting something between line. Let's put a debugger between line 14 and 15, and find out what state we're actually in before we click the link.
In between 14 and 15.
Yeah, let's put a debugger there.
All right. Okay.
So
Page.
let's do uh, type li. Oh, sorry, list. So okay, so let's look at. Let's do page.find and then like take line 22 without the expect.
The whole thing.
Well, up into, no, just page.find with the string. And you have one extra parenthesis. Yeah, you have the extra one there.
Okay, so this is
Right,
consistent
so
with the error we get in RubyMine.
yeah. So maybe we should, let's look at the page. So see that, let's change it to true and make sure that's there. I think that is there.
Yes.
All right. So I wonder. I'm gonna go look at the page. So that's, and we have div. Let me see if there's anything else on this page that has that.
I just see a modal window with title. Expect page find area hidden.
View page source. I'm gonna do Control F.
Hmm.
There is more than one of these.
More than one.
Thing that says ARIA hidden.
Yeah, I told you so. It
Oh, you
was
did?
a couple of them in the view source. Yeah,
Oh, sorry
yeah.
about that.
So uh, so that would not
All right,
be the
I'm
best.
gonna click on it and then see which one comes up as.
Let me see what you're doing. Hold on. Doo-doo-doo. See, this is the capybara. Show me the page. Uh, Miriam,
Okay.
I'm going to highlight the modal area, and as you can see can you see this? Okay.
Yeah.
So 111 it says area hidden true, and then in 116 it repeats.
All right. You know what's really weird though? Like, how come I got it to change to false? True.
That is a good question. Why did you get it to change?
So if I do Inspect element. See?
Hold on. Let me look at it. Are you sharing right now?
Yeah. Or no, I guess.
No.
Try.
Yeah, I see it. It says false.
Um. Oh, wait, but there's still a true there. All right, so let's do this. We got to check for class equals modal fade. Oh, no, wait, these are both true. Let me get rid of it.
Both true, yeah.
Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing.
You mean in the view?
Yeah. Now it's true. And now it's false.
Show me what you're doing there. You're changing it in the browser, just quickly.
Yeah. So you see how it says area hidden equals false?
Correct.
I'm going to close this. And now it says area hidden equals true. So what is our, let's see, when you do the view source,
I think whether you do view source or inspect element is the same. See, you got those two in the model.
modal fade,
Yeah.
area hidden equals true. And then, okay, play it. View page source. Interesting. All right.
What a mystery. Area hidden true.
I think it's because this is like JavaScript, that it's not actually changing. I don't know.
Hold on 1 second. Let me see what kind of JavaScript do we have. Uh-huh. Look at this.
Oh. Oh.
Bada boom, bada boom. Model body iframe.
Okay. So how do we, do you know how to test this though?
Uh, Jasmine. That is exactly, you were also on the right track because remember, we were trying to build the X path with model body and iframe. Exactly
Yeah.
that.
Did you put who put this JavaScript in?
That was Sampriti, I believe.
Okay.
So did he test it? Where are the fixtures, JavaScript? No. I don't see any spec helpers, adjustment. These are all the tests that we have for Jasmine. Mm.
So why did the hire me button work?
The hire me button did not have any, I don't think, JavaScript. Let me see. Mm. Plus, in the hire me button, I'm looking at it right now. That's all we tested is very kind of like phony baloney.
Let's see how phony it is. Let's take out line 25.
25, what do you mean?
Out of the feature when I click on the hire me button.
Oh,
See if it
I
still
was looking at the
passes.
step definition for the model window. Let me see.
No, it fails.
It fails.
Yeah.
Uh, Let me see if I have something in JavaScript for.
No, because the cucumbers, all it did was check for that text.
Yeah.
That's crazy though.
Mm.
Cucumber feature for Twitter Bootstrap. Hmm. So we could try this. Um,
It looks to me like the testing of that model should be done, via Jasmine. with this, with line 7, right? Unless you have another idea.
I do.
Okay, cool.
But it might be a wrong idea. We could try this. I don't know. There's a modal element ID. This says wait until page.find modal element ID visible.
Let me look at it.
Okay. Can you not see my screen again?
I do.
Okay.
It seems the model is actually not a window. Let's try it like this. Create a helper function to detect that the model element is around. Oh, so you want to create a method?
I don't know. Because it's visible all the time, right? So.
Well, what the heck? Why
And
not?
look at this. Wait until is being deprecated in favor of page.find visible true.
And that was in October 2012.
Let's see what you have again in the step definition.
Yeah. You see it?
And this one was, all right, so put it back to true, and let's try one last thing, visible true in there.
Back to true. And add.
Wait, we want to check it without clicking, so let's try visible false. Hidden true, because that's always going to pass.
So comma here, visible.
Yeah, but actually, it's stupid. This isn't going to work. But let's do it anyway. True. Visible, wait, false. Visible false.
Like that?
Yeah. Wait, what do we have? What's the state of our...
And in the feature we have line 13 in.
All right, take it out. Okay. What is the toggle then? Oh, Sam Pretty's here.
Hello Marcelo, I just finished up the other hangout and joined you.
Hi, Sampriti.
Yeah, I just have 5 to 10 minutes, so if
Okay.
there's anything you
We
want
need
to
you.
ask them.
We need you badly.
We need
Okay.
you. Yes.
I was just saying, I wish Sam Pretty was here to help us.
Okay, what's the problem? Fast.
Okay, so we're trying to see, we want to click on the button that brings up the modal, and we want to test that the modal is there, but it always passes, whether
Okay.
it's there or not.
Did you copy everything from the what do you say? Did you copy it from the hire me modal feature?
Somewhat, but that looks for text, and we don't have specific text in our.
Okay.
We
So
We were
just
looking at XPath.
okay.
yeah.
I have an easier idea. Just head on over to your Scrums page.
To my Scrums page.
Yeah, the one you're testing at the moment where the model is.
The index page.
Yeah, the index page. Yeah. Like, should I look at Marion's screen or your screen?
Right here.
Okay. So just click on the model and open the model, any one model.
Okay.
Then just right click on the title and do inspect element. On the title, yeah. Inspect element. No, on the title of the model. The
Yeah.
title of the model.
But
Uh,
I can,
click
if I do this and the title.
and then click on inspect element.
Okay. There you go.
Exactly. Now just go click on the div class equals model fade in. Uh,
Up.
three levels above the one you have selected. No, 3 levels above. Yeah, yeah. Click on that. Click on that. Yeah. Now go to the screen, and then close the model. Keep that clicked, and then close the model. You see
Okay.
how the display changes to none.
Yeah.
Now you open the model again.
Ah.
Open
Okay.
the model again.
I see. Display changes to
Block. So
block.
what you can do is you have JavaScript enabled, then you open the model using JavaScript, and then just check whether the display is blocked to make sure if the model is shown, or if the display is none to make sure the model is hidden.
I got you.
Oh my gosh, you know what we were looking at where it says a few levels below, aria hidden equals true. So I was doing, and it was changing in this inspect elements, but not changing on the page. Okay.
So this is what is usually done with models. So
Okay.
I got you
So
some
it's that actual class.
yeah, that is what makes it hidden or visible. So
Okay.
just check whether the CSS contains display block or display none. I mean, you can do that using XPath, I think, or another thing you can do is just do page.execute script, then dollar model dot CSS. I'll just paste what seems like it should be.
Okay.
Slack notification stops. So
Okay.
execute
All right.
execute script dollar then model. Is it a class model or is it a dot ID model, by the way?
Is it what?
Never mind.
It's a
Uh,
night. Uh,
class, yeah.
Class
Okay, so
or
just go to
ID.
the
is a
just go
class.
to the, okay, just go to the console now. Click on the console.
Hold on.
No, in the Firefox itself, or the Chrome inspect console. You see refer resources audits console at the bottom beside AngularJS, yeah. So type there dollar, because I don't have the thing, so I can't experiment. Dollar, then in brackets and open bracket, quote, no, parentheses means the round bracket, not the square bracket. Then quote, I mean the quote dot modal quote.
Quote.
No, I mean quote as in the a single quote or a double quote, whatever.
Okay.
Then dot modal, modal, yeah, modal. Then quote, close quote. Uh, yeah, close the parentheses. So this fetches the modal element. Then do dot CSS. .css, then in brackets and in quotes display, like brackets. I mean no, in
Parentheses.
parentheses. Yeah.
And then no quote on display?
No, quote. Yeah, quote
Quote.
display and then end quote and then close parentheses. Enter.
Okay, equal black.
Perfect. So just put this inside the page.execute script function, and then this will return whether it says block or none. So you can test that.
Okay.
So the
And we
functions should be something
and
like
we
page dot. Yeah, go on, go on.
no, go on, go on.
No, so the function should be like page.execute script. Then you put this inside quotes, like inside double quotes, not single quotes.
Hold on.
This
Page that execute.
no, that is a Ruby. That is a
No,
capybara
I
thing.
know.
So
I just want to get the syntax right.
execute script. I think script should be capital. I think so. Page dot
Execute a script like this.
1 second. I just don't remember the capitalization. Yeah,
That is weird for
execute
Ruby,
script.
right?
No, just no capitalization. I think it is.
Like this.
Yeah, I think so. No, execute underscore script. Sorry for the.
That's fine. That's fine.
I just don't. I'm in a hurry and I just don't remember.
That's okay.
Okay.
And then inside double quotes, paste in that like space.
And then paste this.
Yeah, and just have a space to specify it as an argument.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so after a
Close
script,
yeah, after script the space,
a space. Okay.
and then open quote, a double quote, like double quote.
The dollar sign disappears.
No, the dollar sign stays as it is.
Okay.
Dollar quote. I mean sorry, double quote, and at the end another double quote. Remember, this has to be a double quote because there are single quotes inside.
Correct. Like that.
Yeah, that is what you need. So what this does is that it executes this dollar modal css on the page, so that fetches the display property for the modal element, which you can just test that should equal block or should equal block for to be shown and should equal none for to be hidden. All right, anything else?
That's it. That's it. Thank you, Sampriti.
Thank you, Sampriti. Wow.
Okay,
Bye.
catch you later.
Okay,
Bye.
bye. Go Sampriti. Go Sampriti.
Go, Sampriti. So, cool. All right. So, hold on. Let me copy this to my. Okay. So I'm gonna close this because. So.
Oh my gosh, we didn't try this out.
No, we haven't. But that's fine. We're gonna try it. So the point is that. Okay.
We shouldn't have let him go until we tried it out.
Yes. Okay. So the point is that sometimes to test, you need to look at the functionality in the browser and how it changes in the browser. So we were in the general area, but we were in where we were compared to where he was. Let's see. See, this is the. Well, before you came into the Scrum this morning, into the Hangout, I was looking at this, and I was right here, but I didn't know what to do.
Okay.
So see that?
Now we know.
Now it changes. I was right there this morning, but I said, well, I just wanted to look at, where the play button was, but I didn't know what to do. But now I see it displays. Okay, cool.
Okay, are we in the debugger? Can we go? Are we still in the debugger or no? No.
Let me see. Let me see. Indeed, we are.
All right, so let's type in that thing.
So page execute. One thing that it wasn't clear is he mentioned something about JavaScript, but I guess we don't have to do anything if
Well,
we
I don't
can.
know. That's what I'm wondering. You have that? Did you save that somewhere, or
I
you
did.
just said?
No, I
You
do.
just okay.
I'm doing it right now.
Okay, great.
Model.css display and close and that and close quote. Page execute script space uh, uh, uh. That is not giving me anything, Mariam.
Okay, do page dot methods and see if
Hold
we
on.
got the name of the method wrong.
Let me see if I made some mistake. No. So page what?
Dot methods.
And one of these should be
It is there. Page dot execute script. I see it.
oh, you see it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But try it again. What was that? What
It
was that
it
error message?
it conflicts me the dollar sign in there and the
Okay.
space. That's the
Oh, let
reason
me see.
why that looks to me like more of JavaScript.
Capybara not supported by driver exception. Uh, well, let's try. Let me see.
Um, I'm gonna do a quick check with him. Copy and
Do you want to
hold on one
you want
second. Are we
you
supposed
want to commit what you have now?
to? Yeah, you can drive for a while. I'm sick and tired of driving. Are we supposed to test in JavaScript or
Well, don't ask him yet. Let's at least try to figure it
cucumber?
out. You know,
What is that?
maybe we should try to figure it out first. Or
Yeah, exactly. Uh, let me see. Um, so we were in the JavaScript model CSS. I don't know that dollar sign for me says JavaScript, and I'm gonna do this quickly. Uh, if I go to JFiddle and I dump this in here, see it does. If I put it in here, it doesn't complain about the JavaScript.
okay, so
So maybe it's I'm asking him to see if because he did mention something about JavaScript, didn't he?
yes.
He said something about JavaScript. Page execute script. Hmm. C model CSS display execute script. But you said that execute the script is a method in Ruby, right?
Yes.
So maybe he was in a rush and I got the syntax wrong, Marian?
Well, maybe the syntax, obviously something's wrong.
Yeah. Let's try that. Do you think there is a space in there or no? Capybara driver base execute script.
Yeah, of course there's a space in there. It's an argument. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense.
Too bad. Let's see if he says something.
Did you commit what you have so far?
Oh, let me quickly do. I was just playing with. Hold on.
Yeah, keep trying. Let me go run some.
So git status. I want to give it to you so you can play with it. Git commit. Am to Marian. Working
I'll be
on.
back in 1 sec.
Yes. Working on. Modal toggle. Miriam,
Yeah.
I send it to you.
Okay.
Grab it and run with it. Oh, okay. Then I should see a modal window with the title Agile Launcher. It feels like we're so close to the shit. Page execute a script. That $sign throws me for a loop. If I take this out and I do this, Move on page. Execute. No. Works. Page execute script. Okay. Select bar.
Oh my God. Hmm.
The Martians are landing in New Jersey.
And they're mowing everybody's lawn.
Well, remember the War of the Worlds? That was by Orson Welles. Remember that? That took place in New Jersey, I think.
Yeah. Honestly, I think it was in like 1929, Marcelo. I don't remember.
It was a long time ago, yes.
What? What is it?
The War of the Worlds. Marcelo's asking me, Sempriti, if I remember something that happened in like 1922. No, I don't.
Okay, by the way, Marcelo, that is something that needs to be run in the Cucumber RB, and that doesn't run in Rails console because that is a capybara. A capybara method, and that capybara method will only run in the Cucumber environment.
Okay. I was just simply I was actually Googling that and I was yeah, okay.
We tried to run it in the debugger though in Cucumber and
What
Try that. Try that now.
hold on. Um,
Okay, lots of background noise, Marian, in your end.
I know.
I can run it, Mariam. So we
Try it out.
went to
You go on, try that.
yeah, where I had the debugger. Uh,
Not here, it won't work here.
it won't work on an IRB, right?
No, no. Just run the Cucumber.
Only Cucumber?
Yeah, inside the Cucumber when you visited the page. So, hold on, just.
You mean in a step definition?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let me put it in here.
1 minute. Listen, hold on. So, just go back to the place we are using this step. Go to the Scrums feature.
Yeah.
The Scrums feature. Yeah. So, given I visit, that works. Yeah, given I visit. Okay. Just okay. Then put it in that step, and I
Well,
should see.
there was a step in here before that.
No, just put it in the then I should see a model window. Yeah, just put it there.
I
No,
actually think that you can run these things in the debugger if you put a debugger inside the step definition.
yeah,
No?
just yeah. I was asking to do that. So like just undo that, undo what you did at the moment.
Okay.
Like remove line number 13.
Okay. And then let's go
Step definition.
to the steps definitions.
Scrum
What?
step,
Okay.
which is,
Yeah.
and then just put in a debugger in the and I should see.
Yeah.
Just uncomment line 20.
Okay, there you go.
Perfect.
And then run it.
Yeah, run it.
Okay. And that will catch the debugger, I think.
Most probably. There you go. Oh no. Okay, lol. Who puts lol?
Okay. So
Yeah,
now if I put the step that you just the syntax you gave us, it,
exactly. Yeah.
it gives
Enter.
me this.
Problem is, go back to your Scrums feature. Just exit out of this.
Exit.
Yeah, exit. I mean, just the cucumber. Just type exit.
Okay.
Yeah.
And go back to where?
The Scrums feature.
Okay.
So you see the problem here if you open that. So you realize that this page.execute script deals with JavaScript, right?
I was yeah.
So where you need to have a JavaScript tag.
Is it double Java like that?
Single JavaScript, just like Scrum query, single JavaScript. Perfect. Now run this feature once again.
Oh, that's the connection with JavaScript. Because isn't
No,
it the
no, no,
dollar?
no, no, no. Stop it now. Just stop it because the debugger won't work here and then they'll fail.
Oh, I
Just
see.
stop it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take out the
And then
debugger.
no, just open the terminal and just make sure let it really works. Open the terminal. Yeah. Then just rerun that. Okay. That should pass now. I hope it does.
Okay, so you want to run the command again?
Yeah.
Nil.
Good. Just type in dollar model. Like try removing what's after CSS display. Like,
Okay.
remove the CSS display thing.
Okay.
Yeah, just put an ending close quote, a double quote at the
Okay.
end.
Yes. Sorry. Nil.
Okay. Just replace the dot modal with an A.
With the what?
A.
A?
Yeah, A. A for anchor tag. The
Uh,
dot, like the replace the dot modal with an A.
take it out.
Yeah, the dot modal. Yeah, A.
Put A.
Yeah, small A.
Okay.
Enter. Nil.
Yeah.
Alright, let me just go to the documentation once again. Just try page.body. I mean, as a whole, page.body.
There you go.
What all do you get?
Do you want to try page.evaluate script? Because that will always return something.
Okay, yeah, that might be the thing. So, yeah,
What
just
is it?
Instead of execute, evaluate.
yeah, so
Page.evaluate script.
Like
yeah,
that?
just go up, like yeah, just paste what you had, and then just replace the execute with evaluate. Yeah, that's the solution.
Um.
Thanks, Marian.
Like
Let's see
that?
if it works.
Yeah, and then replace the execute script with evaluate script.
Like so?
Yeah, evaluate.
And then run it?
Yeah,
None.
none. Okay, then cool. It's hidden.
Yay.
Okay, I see.
Perfect.
So if we do, how will we get it to? Okay, the other one is blocked, right?
Yeah, the other one is blocked. So now basically what you can do is I just implement the and I click on a YouTube video in the timeline, and then you can check if they are shown or not.
So we put this back,
Yeah, you just put this back. Uh,
and we put a JavaScript in here. And then what would put in the
You want to put at this point, so why don't we do before and after, and I click a scrum in timeline? Do page dot evaluate blah 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 should be none, and then after it should be blah. How about that?
oh yeah, like I should not see and I should see, right?
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so what you can do here is at the moment just go back to the scrums feature. That might be a good idea because you're testing both of them at once. Then so go back to the scrums feature.
Yes.
And like just add another step like which is almost a duplicate of line 14 before line 13, that then and I should not see a modal window with title Agile Ventures.
Um, Another scenario.
And yeah, I know, like just before 13, that and I should not see a like then I should not see a modal window.
Like so.
Yeah, and I think just make that then, because I think then makes more sense.
Make that what?
Like then I should not see a modal window. But I think given then will make more sense than given an and. But it doesn't really matter. So I mean it's correct the way it is, but I just as a sanity check.
Okay. All right.
No, no, then like given I visit the Scrum's index page, then I should not see a modal window.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then I should not see a modal window.
perfect.
And I click a Scrum in timeline, then I should see a modal window with a title, blah, blah, blah. Okay. All right. And in the steps definition, we're going to bring what we did in the console.
Yeah, just first of all create a new step called and then I should not see a modal window. Like just copy 19 to 23 and then just change the name.
And here we're going to get, this is the
Yeah,
code that
just
we're going to use, Mariam?
yeah.
Is this what we're going to
Also,
use?
yeah.
Okay. We need to
Also, just
clean the,
Yeah, just remove the with title from the I should not see.
Remove what?
Line number 26, like just remove the with title part.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So
Okay.
remove the extra space that might cause things to fail.
Extra space. Where?
Then I should not see a modal window. Then you have a space there.
And I should get rid of this.
Yeah, that might cause things to fail. All right. So now that that's done, on line number 23, what you can do is like after you get rid of all the other things, like you can just check that if that equals to display block. So that would make sure that the model is getting shown or not.
Okay. So 20. I don't need 21, right?
You don't need 20, 21, 22. Uh,
I don't need this. And this should be. We should get rid of this. Put.
no, don't get rid of that. Don't get. Yeah. You are right. You are right. Sorry.
I think this should be block in here, right?
No. Keep it as it was. Keep it as it was. Like I thought you meant something else. Like just replace that.
Line 24.
Yeah.
And copy this. This should be none.
Yes. So just you need to check if that is equal to block for the first one, and then this is equal to none. No, not that, not that. That should be display, but you need to check if it's like the return value for page.evaluate script is equal to none or not. Display, yeah, and
And
then
you want to
that should equal to none. Like basically what this does is it on the page it executes the JavaScript to fetch the CSS property for the model, and
Okay.
as you saw in the console, like the if the model was hidden, then the display property is block, and if it was if it was not if it was hidden, then the display property was none. If it was shown, then the display property was block. So what you need to do is like you like on line number 20, you need to fetch the display attribute, and then after that is fetched, this do a should equal to none. I mean it should equal to block. Yeah, so that should be display, and then at the end, like it should equal block. No,
Oh,
not that.
oh, okay.
You're misunderstanding it.
Yeah,
Like that should be display,
yeah.
but the end result what is returned should equal block.
Okay. So, um, and return is
No,
that?
no, no, no. Like this page dot evaluate script, when passed in this argument, will return the value block or none, right?
I
So you just
understand. I
so
understand
you
that, but um,
put dot should at the right where your cursor is now. Put a dot. Actually, you need
yeah you need to put
parentheses.
yeah So before you do that, just stop right there. Stop right there. Yeah. Just put parentheses outside the quotes. Yeah.
Parentheses outside the quotes.
Yeah. Just outside
Close
the quote.
a right parentheses right there.
Remove the left.
Okay. So this is gonna should
Dot should,
CSS
yeah.
display that should and either with title is
No, no,
gonna
no, no,
be
no.
all right.
Equal, equal,
Oh,
Okay.
equal. Yeah.
Can you put it in the chat? So
Okay, I'll just put the whole thing in the chat so that you can.
yeah.
That'll be easier because it's a bit hard to like just. Uh, that's why teammate is good. You know that is why I like teammate.
mm. Actually, it's better to use expect, right?
Although is expect
Can we use
in
equal there? Don't we need don't we need that?
same thing.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's far better. You know, like then we can just guide you instead of like we have to include.
There you go, Sampriti. Just for you.
Okay,
Just
so
for
but
Sam
that,
Pretty and not for me? Nice.
You hated it, so you know
I
you
know.
like it. We'll do it.
I mean, you have to dump Ruby mine though.
I have to close it.
Yeah, you have to dump it. When you do Vim, you don't use IDEs. So
Oh,
You know
that's
what?
weird.
I cannot copy that out of the chat. Still, I still have that problem.
I have that problem too. Actually, I think.
Oh,
No,
Really?
no, no. I don't have that. I don't have that. Don't worry, Marcelo. You had in
Well,
good hands.
what about me? Don't worry, Marcelo. Sheesh. Can you?
Yeah, just
so
type it by hand. Type it by hand.
you cannot come into my. You
I
joined the
cannot.
session.
Okay, okay. A better idea. Just open the Slack in your virtual machine,
It's
and
open. Oh,
I'll just do a private message to you.
thanks.
But you cannot get into my teammate session, Sampriti?
No, I can't. I just can't cut the link
There you
out
go.
of.
No, no, I'm talking about Sampriti.
You know, I can get it. I'm already in.
Okay, you're in. Yeah, I see you. There you go.
Okay, let me just walk right in. Uh, I hope you guys are not going for the scrum. Or are you?
No.
No.
Okay, just maximize the screen, Marian,
Yeah.
please. The terminal. Uh, a bit more to the left, to the right, and a lot more to the bottom of the screen, if that's possible.
Mm, can you share your screen? I got it
Share.
maximized all the way on mine.
Okay, then there's nothing we can do. That's alright. Features, scrums. I'll just do some cleaning up on the way. Features, step definitions, scrum steps.
There you go. That's what I thought you wanted. Somewhat should equal black or should equal none, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
As I get more used to Vim, it feels more and more like Word or some other text processor. Like previously, I thought, how would I, like when I first started, I thought, like, how do I even work with this? Now it starts to feel more friendly.
Okay.
Marcelo, you also need to get used to it, I must
Yeah.
say.
I already have Yadder, but it's just I either concentrate on on the test or on Yadder, so cannot do both at this point.
That should, in fact, solve the problem. All we need to do is, and I click a scrum in the timeline. I think this works, right?
Let's see.
Although, are we populating the?
I'm interested to see if our clicking step works with the XPath.
No, the problem here is that are we
Try it.
sure that we'll always have 20 scrums? Oh yeah, we
Well,
will.
yeah, because
Yeah,
we're using a file, and 20 scrums. Uh, did you say 20 scrums?
Yeah.
yeah. It says.
Yeah.
Are we checking that somewhere?
I
Oh
mean, I
yeah,
think.
yeah, because
Yeah.
that was
Yeah. Yeah.
how it
Yeah.
was set up, and we're using that. We're playing it back with that VCR file. Are you running it? Oh yeah. Okay, I see.
Okay, yeah, I forgot to do the wrong mapping.
Sometimes I think it's not worth it to do all that stuff. It's better to just close it out and.
Yeah. Instead of that, I'll just keep it in the history then. I think that needs to be equal then. Oh, wait, I do have that as equal.
Oh. In the step? What was the
No, no.
problem? What was the.
Yeah, I'll just open it in another tab because I think that might be Vim which is causing it.
Mm,
Also, and that needs to be removed. Where does that lol come from?
that was because we were trying to use the debugger on the
Yeah.
last step. It might be in the controller.
I think it might be in the controller. Yes.
Yeah, nice debugging steps you have there. Hmm. Let's go and have a look.
Where are you typing right now?
I'm typing in many places.
Okay.
Ruby
Very
mine
good.
is being updated as you type.
Yeah, that's because I have this habit of saving every time I type a particular like character or at least a word, so that's why it's getting updated maybe.
What do you
That's
want
so neat
now?
that I can see. Wow.
Okay, so it seems like our click feature isn't working. So
Yeah.
I just don't want to get out of this, so what I'll just do is server running. Okay.
That's a good idea. That's a really good idea.
It'll take a lot of time to just set up the tunneling, so I just did that.
So how did you do that?
Curl.
And then
With
just
the
localhost, like what did you have to set up to be able to do that?
nothing. I just have to run the server and then do that.
Ah.
By the way, no. Okay, so it seems to be timeline title. Yeah, okay, so you have a error in the export here. Since I hit XPath, I'll just replace this.
I love XPath. Why do you hate
Okay.
XPath?
I don't know, it doesn't feel natural to me.
It does to
Uh,
me.
I feel the this feels far better. This goes in line with HTML. See? You can almost understand like h4 dot class timeline title and then the anchor element inside it. Yeah, that should be it. Or a better idea might be, yeah, I'll just stick with XPath. I can.
Was it finding the wrong link?
Yeah, it was clicking on the h4 and it should have been clicking on the anchor element.
Ah.
Okay, you get to stay with your XPath.
You could use single quotes there instead of escaping the double quotes.
Yeah, I'll just do that. See, put. Oh no, I did something wrong there. How would I do that? See, see. So it seems like I can't use juice with cucumber anymore because of VCR. So that's a shame. And by the way, Marcelo, you're mentioning something about
Yeah,
like the
the,
uh,
the the bug is that when you click on the play to play the video in the modal window, and then you say that you play for 30 seconds and you want to exit out, um, you can do so, but the video still plays.
yeah, it does it happen now? Like, can I see a live example of it?
Um, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Whenever
Not
you're
yet.
ready.
Yeah, let me just finish this up. It seems like I forgot to attend the mock of the hours. Doesn't really matter. Okay, that was the link. Yeah, one.
Because that will be tied to the final cucumber step that says that I should. What was it, Miriam? Is I should close the video or the modal window.
That when you close it, it should stop playing. But I
Correct.
don't. Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. So so something like I click to play watch video and I close video or whatever.
Fail. Okay, wonderful. Perfect. It passes now. Hello?
It does? Okay, cool. Let me look at it. Can you share some pretty? I think we lost your. I don't see Miriam and I don't see some pretty.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Marian, are you there?
I'm here, but there's trucks smashing around here.
Okay, that's alright. Actually, I think I lost the connection there for that moment.
I heard you though.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, yeah. I I
Okay,
see the
so
team A. I see the team A session.
yeah, so what should be the next step now?
And I
I
click.
close the.
Well,
I
and I
I
click
wait a minute.
to.
And I click play to watch the video.
Yeah,
Then
that
I
should
should see the
be.
video play. Can we do that?
uh yeah, let me just open
Do we
another
need to do
tab.
that, you think?
I
Hold on.
remember, Miriam, that we found the play button, right, one time,
Yep.
embedded deep down into the browser.
Mm-hmm. I think we already have that in one of the features.
Mm.
Videos. No, no videos. There you go. So if I go here and I go page down, selecting videos,
I was looking for play and I couldn't.
now you should see working in HWA Pro.
I didn't find anything that I play.
I mean, also we should have another spec here, so which would say something like K Tokyo. Actually, I don't think we need to test the play because uh, that is part of YouTube, because that's being fetched in an iframe from YouTube. So I don't think we need to test that. Clicking on the video should bring up a more YouTube play window, and then this isn't maybe required. Hash, and then
Oh, you're saying to create a new scenario for when the
no,
video stops?
something like this. Iterate JavaScript. 1 minute. Let me just type that scenario. Closing and closing an existing video and opening a new one should date the layer. Okay. So basically, like here we are checking that the when you click on any one video, then it brings up a player. But here, what I wanted to check was like when you close the video, and then you click on some other video, then that should change the title as well. I mean that should bring up a new model window with separate title, right?
Correct. Yes. Yes.
Also, there is one implementation that's missing here. Did you guys change it, Marcelo?
Did I what?
Nothing of mine. So again, this hasn't been implemented because this doesn't check for the title. So this needs to be done as well.
Because the titles are already there
But
on the page.
we
Yeah,
need
yeah, no, we're gonna change that, right? We were
we
originally
need to
right.
Yeah.
we,
Yeah. We're gonna change that. You mean line 16?
no
Yeah,
we
with
no, no, not exactly that. Like we haven't implemented the title checking functionality yet. Right now it only checks if the model window is visible or not.
yeah, you know why? Because the title on the page is the same as the title on the modal. It's
But
already in the.
we need to test that.
Okay, then we need to change the title on the modal or change something.
Yeah, hold on.
Because it shows up. Like the way they did it in the Hire Me, it was that was only in the modal.
Okay. So if I just open up the view. So this is what is wrong then, because I feel that this should be blank when it starts. But that will help in testing more. I think that'll help in testing then.
Hmm.
Why should be blank? Sampriti?
Because reason number one is that like when the page gets loaded, the iframe doesn't need to load, so that will increase page loading times. And the second thing is that we like the model will be shown only when you click on a link, and clicking on the link automatically updates the both of those fields. So what is the reason of having them filled in by from before
I
when they
see.
aren't
Okay.
even being
All
used?
right.
And this will help us in the title thing,
Cool.
to really test if the title is getting updated or not. So now I can do. Marcelo, do you know where the fixture is stored? Like this is done using VCR, right?
Correct. Uh,
So where is the
the VCR is in um,
spec, or I think is it in spec?
uh, spec features. I'm trying to find it for you.
Yeah, I got it. Facets.
Um,
There you go.
you found it?
Yeah.
Fixtures, cassettes. Yes.
Now, so I'll just set up you with this one tool, which will be helpful to you if you're doing teammate. Just give me 2 minutes. You have a fast internet, right?
I do.
Okay,
And I
cool.
think Marianne does too.
No, I
When are
just
you
need
setting up?
yes, so that I can see your server and so can you, Marian, even though we are on teammate.
Wait, I didn't hear exactly. So you can see what?
I can see it's just like forwarding this local server to
Hmm.
a remote address. Where's the downloads directory?
Which tool is it that you're downloading?
It's called ngrok.
Hmm.
Interesting. You don't have wget.
I realize why I never heard of all of these Vim plugins when I used to use it, because I actually was using VI
Yeah,
and
that's
not
why.
even Vim.
I thought that there was a reason you use VI. I never really figured out that you wouldn't know you were using
I
VI.
didn't know in the beginning, yeah.
Marcelo, can you just type it through the password?
What are you doing with my path?
No, no,
Destroying it?
I'm just
Let me
move.
see.
I'm just moving a few files from here to there. I guess. Did you do that, or like did you not?
I enter the
Uh,
password, yes.
okay. So now what you can do is ngrok 3000. There you go. So if you visit this URL Marian, then you can have a look at Marcelo's server.
This one?
Yeah, the one that you see on your screen. Because since I needed that, so that's why I was using it. You can also go to that Marcelo.
Go to where?
The URL that's on your screen
Yes.
in the teammate session.
This one?
Yeah, the one which is .ngrok.com,
Uh-huh.
and then you can find your server.
Open it, open in the browser, you mean?
Yeah, in the browser. It's like
And we need 3000 the port?
no, you don't.
Hmm. HTTP?
Yeah, just copy it. No, no, just the URL. Yeah.
Oh, is this me doing it? Because I'm not seeing anything yet. Oh, there you go. Cool.
I need to take out 127.0.0.1.3000, right?
Yeah, you just want the blah blah
HTTP
blah
link.
dot ngrok.com. If you right click on it and do open, it will open up. Oh, did it?
Like so?
I can't. Wait, let me look at your screen.
It looks at home
Yeah,
agile
yeah.
ventures.
You just gotta wait a little while.
Okay.
Is pretty go away? Who's typing in your terminal? Is anybody?
I'm typing.
Okay. I just want to see that command for downloading that ngrok. Can you show me that when you get a chance?
So basically, I just
So
downloaded it from the command line. Do you want to know the like how the I can give you the download URL, or do you
Mm,
want to know how to download it?
I want to download it from the command line. I just didn't. Yeah, give me the URL. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I had
Just
it
go to
right when I was.
go to ngrok.com.
So I used. Just can you just give me the exact command that you used?
Okay. Yeah. If I think you are a Ubuntu user, so you must have an wget. So that will work. 1 minute.
Yeah.
You just need to type ngrok, then the port number, and that'll work.
Okay.
You are on
Um.
Ubuntu, right?
Yeah.
so what is this compared to the local host?
This is just like a forwarding URL, so this just forwards that.
Oh, I mean, I want you to give me the URL to actually download the ngrok itself.
It,
Is that what
the command
the where you downloaded it from?
that is the path I downloaded it from
Wait, where am I seeing that?
in the group chat.
Oh, thank you.
I guess I'll just leave in about a few minutes. So
Okay, so and you did wget.
Is a zip file, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
All right, cool. So did you so we are adding the a scenario for closing an existing video and opening a new one.
Yeah, we need to add that scenario, but before that, like you see, there's the step called then I should see the a modal window with title. The problem is that at the moment, only the I should see a modal window is getting implemented.
Right,
Uh,
right, right.
I'm just trying to implement the with the title part.
Okay, all right.
Um.
Uh, can you help
Like
me?
that.
And can anybody help me? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you need?
How do I do that? Like how do I check? Like I want to check that these the element. Where is it? Number two, number four. Yeah. So what I want to check is that this element contains uh, this text. How do I do that?
You can do a should see this within. Um.
Like what I want is like I want this player title to contain header. Just do that for me.
Layer title to contain uh, expect
I couldn't see what. Where did you just type something? I didn't. Oh, in the.
in the
I
line
didn't see a
number
simple.
20.
Uh,
You want the syntax, Sampriti?
Yeah, how do I do that?
Mm. All right.
so header is so page dot should contain. All right, we gotta look at. So you want to. It should have the player title inside the header. Is that what you mean?
As text. No, the header
Ah,
is the player title has should have header inside. A header is a variable with the text. I'll just do a Google search. Hold on.
page should contain.
1 minute. I think it should be like this. Although
You can do within CSS and then put the CSS. I don't know if you saw this.
there you go.
Why is it pound player title?
ID
Ah,
ID in HTML.
okay.
Oh, I hope that finishes. Then I can.
It's midnight for you, my friend.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. How did you know that?
I'm just looking at the time.
But you should be looking at your time, right?
I'm looking at my time, but I can calculate your time
Okay.
in a jiffy.
There you go. So it
Okay,
passes. I'll just.
Mm.
Hold on.
let's go.
Let me just change a few
Then
characters.
should have selector, player title, text header.
This is called monkey testing.
So you moved ngrok, that whole folder, to user bin?
No, just like when you unzip ngrok.zip, it extracts a
Hmm.
file called
Oh,
ngrok.
that's
Just
all right.
yeah. So I just moved that to user bin. Okay.
That's
So
good.
this is
Cool.
done. Now I'll just leave. It's very late here, so
Thank you,
you can.
Simperty.
Are the
Yeah.
changes in my
Yeah.
repo, right?
Yeah. It's all in your repo in the Git.
Okay,
Uh,
cool.
Good night,
Sampriti,
Simperty. Thank
have a good
you.
night. Thank
yeah.
you. Bye.
Don't close that terminal, okay?
No, I won't.
Can I just do some? Can I before you do that? All right, wait now.
I didn't know you'd like to do that. We can do it because I want some.
I don't like it because I don't know the commands.
Well,
Okay.
we can learn. We can both learn because I
I mean,
have it.
all the commands are exactly same.
No, I mean the commands for the going in and out of windows in Teammate and like the bracket and
Okay.
the Control B, all that stuff. Nice.
Hold on. It's very easy. Like if you, so like to switch windows, it's basically Control A, then the number of the window you see at the bottom, and then is your key Control A or is it Control B?
Mine is whatever the default is.
Hold on, just share your screen. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, so just type Control A 2,
But I'm
like
on
Control,
Mars. But is this so? All right, Control A. So
then
we're on
2.
Marcelo's computer now, right? Control
No
A.
problem, no
Okay.
problem. Just do Control A and then 2. Yeah, perfect. So your key binding is Control A. So to switch to a tab, what you do is Control A, then the tab number you see at the bottom, and then to I think to create a new tab it is Control A and then C. Right.
Control A and then C, and that's a new. Okay.
And then to close the tab like normally exit or whatever. Control
Okay.
D or same thing. Now the other thing is in Vim, if you want to do tabs, I can just teach you how to do tabs in Vim. By the way, it's
Okay.
pretty like let's say, do you know how to do splits?
Uh,
Control W or V and H.
SS or what is
Yeah,
it?
it's
SS
SS for a horizontal split, and then VV.
or vertical, right?
SS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Type SS.
How do you? What is the command to get the nerd tree on the side?
Okay. Control E dot. No, on the
What is it?
side.
Yeah, when you get it on when you have like two windows open and then you want to open your tree.
I think this is this way. Hold on, let me check. Tree.
Yeah,
There you go.
that one. What
So
is
you
it?
have to type in nursery.
I think it's mapped, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me try that. No, it's yeah, it's. I think it's no, just. I don't remember the shortcut that John uses. Let me just try this. Control N. Okay, never mind. I'll skip it. All right, that's it. Now, that's all I think. And then tab to create a new tab. You type in Control TABE. All right. Hello.
Yeah. Control
So
E.
no, like you just type in TABE
Oh.
:TABE to create a new tab. TABE. I don't really know how to name them. So and to quit them normally and to switch between them, GT to go to the next tab, GT. So if you like try typing GT, there you go.
So if I want to go to number 2.
I think it's G2. No, 2GT.
No.
Sorry, two GT and then 3GT.
GT as in George and Tom?
No, it didn't work.
Hold on. Try typing 3GT.
Hey.
There you go.
Okay.
Also, I think to go back, it is. Let me try this. I don't remember GB, GR. Hold on. GY, GH,
Are you trying them? Oh,
GF,
you are. Okay. That will go between
GE.
when.
No, I'm just trying to go backwards. Like
Yeah.
right now, if I do GT, it goes forwards. So GB, now GC, now GI.
Maybe Shift T.
Yeah, G shifty. No, G shifty. Yeah, exactly. Thanks.
Okay.
I'll just control C. I'll quit this Vim because this is completely messed up. So also, if you have a lot of tabs open, I think it's the best way to close all of them is Control C, Q all. Yeah, that's it. I'll detach.
All right.
All right. Bye, everybody. Thanks.
Bye, Sempriti. Thank you.
And by the way, to detach without ending the session, Control A, D. Hold on. Control A and then D. So you don't try that. Yeah, good luck.
All
Thanks.
right. Thank
By
you.
the way, Marcelo, just open control room. Like, are you the one who is doing the hangout or is it Marian?
Marcelo.
I am.
Okay, oh, go to the hangout. I just wanted to try out something.
Yes.
Open control room.
Open what?
Control room. Like on the side, there should be a plugin called control room.
Yes.
Click on that. Okay.
And I see the three of us on the right-hand side.
Okay. So, like, is there an option to eject me?
To eject you.
Okay, so just at the bottom, click on my icon. No, like click on my icon, the little arrow that's beside my icon. I think at the bottom of the screen,
Yes.
the little arrow that's beside my icon.
I can.
No, left click, not right click. The
All right.
little arrow that's beside.
Yeah.
Okay, so just try ejecting me.
Oh, well,
Um,
goodbye. Just in case it
which
works.
one is eject?
What does it say there? I can't read
I
that.
see.
Okay, then
Yes.
bye.
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 Nice.
Ejected.
Nice.
Got ejected from the game.
Ouch.
That guy is so funny. Anyway, so that'll work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's review this puppy. So now I'm going to close the teammate session because we don't, uh, well, leave it, no, let me close it. And so we see where we are with the testing now. Okay, so I want to see if, wow, see my Ruby mine gets automatically updated. Look at that.
Yeah. Good. What
That's
day is
funny.
today? Wednesday, right?
Yes, yes. So should we try to, okay, so we were forgetting one thing. Remember this JavaScript
Mm-hmm.
to make it available in in the uh, the cucumber. Okay, cool. So can we run this scenario and see what we get in here? All right. So these four are passing. Can you shed some light on, are you there?
Yeah.
Page 14, 15. So he changed that XPath that you had for a CSS.
I guess.
Okay. And that would be
The YouTube
Anchor.
link. I don't know why it didn't work when we did it.
Yeah, I remember that because you did it with the XPath, with the XPath. Huh. Interesting. Okay. All right. And this page should have selected play a title, text header. Okay. Okay. So, we're not going to do. So, how do you want to tackle the issue of the title?
Um,
What do you think?
well, does this pass right now? This test?
These four tests are passing. Yes.
So is the issue not tackled then?
Didn't he say something about the title? Or
He fixed it, right? Isn't it there?
Um, yeah, yeah, okay, yeah. No, no, you're right. Okay, so closing an existing video and opening a new one should update the player. So I guess that's what we need to. So that will go from here. So when we're from here, we do play. Sam. Oh, I forgot to ask him about the shit. So this is the next. So once we resolve the bug, we should be able to test that from here. Then we play it. Then we close it. And then we open the second one. Video should have stopped. Window. Okay. I don't need this anymore. He put something else in there. No, I close it anyway. Just another window. So this will be given. I'm playing the video when I'm just gonna write it when I click exit. That would be the X when I click or when I start the video. And I click the new video in timeline. Then the model window should update to the selected video. Something like that in pseudocode, Mariam?
I guess.
Do you want to take a break?
I haven't done anything. Just sitting here watching. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a while.
I could eat something, and then if you want to go, why don't I push it and you grab it, and
Okay.
you want to work a little bit more after lunch, or?
Yeah, maybe
Okay.
like a half an hour.
Yeah, but you're going to drive, okay? So
Okay.
it's time
All
for
right.
you
So
to drive.
I know.
So I'm gonna let me push everything so you can grab it whenever you want.
Okay. All right.
I didn't mean to grab everything. It's just that he was going so fast that I just wanted to grab everything. So
I know. All right.
sometimes he goes.
He's very
So
fast.
huh?
He is fast. Yeah.
Yeah. So I just So let me close this. What is my status? Get the status. Because I don't know now that my Ruby mine was updating. So okay, get
Because
commit.
as soon as you save something in Vim, RubyMine gets it.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I didn't know that that was uh,
I didn't
changes
either.
changes from Simplity uh, on to marian. And git push origin scrum spike. All right, you can grab
Okay.
it, and we'll
Yeah.
reconvene around 3:30 your time.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, bye.
All right. Bye.